You're gonna
no,
what?
like this isn't the well. The well starts down there.
So we got to the house and we have no water because they've winterized it for winter, we're being told. And we have no phones or anything because we have no services for a couple weeks. So Philip, who's never had a well, is going to figure out how to get our water going. So we found the pipe that goes in the well.
Yeah.
And we have plumbing inside, so somehow there was water. And so the well goes there, but it doesn't actually start until way down there. So this is what, 7 feet probably?
Yeah.
Maybe more. I'll know when you get in there because I know how tall you are. And then he put a piece of wood so you can hold on to it. I need to go on this side. And all of this stuff is a project we're going to be doing that an amazing local home hardware dropped off. Port Hood, Within Home Hardware dropped us off barbecue and a generator and a little mini fridge and freezer so we can make do while we're on our quarantine here. We need more water. Operation Fix the Well. I wish you very well. Aww. Aww. Okay, wait, I have to see you in the well. Oh my goodness gracious. Quite as deep as I thought. Okay, so it's like 6 feet maybe. Oh,
okay,
and
I need that pole.
Oh, you need me now that you're down in the hole, eh?
Yeah, I need the pole. Give me the camera.
Nana's here. Nana's looking very Canadiana this morning. Red plaid, Canada sweatshirt in Nova Scotia.
Okay, what do you need, love?
That long pole.
So you need that end or this end?
The end with the filter.
The filter goes in the bottom.
I didn't say I knew how to do wells.
Don't break the end. If we break the end, ain't nobody making tea.
Thank you. All right, let's see how deep our well is. Oh,
Still going.
Oh, okay. That's a deep well. We don't want that in there.
Ew.
Okay.
Where do you connect it to? Oh, there's a thing? Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, thanks.
I didn't see that it was so dark.
No.
What? Yeah, Philly?
Yeah. I need some fixings, but
Yeah, we definitely need to get a new pool so it's nice and clean. But we're not drinking this water, but at least if we can wash the floors and... Can you put the, don't hit that window. Oh my word. You're making me nervous. I wonder.
Because I don't know if I'll have to get back there.
Okay.
So
So
come
this
with me.
stuff is for an outside project.
Come with me.
I wonder
gotta
if
show the
anyone can figure out what all this is for. First project outside at the new house. Okay, we're going in. I want to show you the basement.
This is your first look at the basement.
The dungeon.
Oh, you ready?
Okay.
Okay.
It's not like your other.
Stay, Gunner. He tried to come down with me.
This is not like the other basement.
Okay, it's pretty dark, but I can still see, sort of. Oh my word. What is this? I hear water. Fill up.
Okay. So.
Okay, it's pretty dark. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, not sure if you can tell on camera, but the basement. Oh, look at Philip's feet. Move your feet around so you can see. He is a little taller than ankle deep in water. I'm getting a little lower
Right
here.
now we have to prime the system because that's a dry line
Can't
that we
really
put in.
see the. Don't drop the camera in the water.
So all this water we're gonna have to pick up for sure. But this is our foundation down here.
It's actually not bad down here, other than the fact that there's
Water.
But which is very typical of most East Coast homes, I'm pretty sure, that live right beside the ocean.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it comes up that dungeony staircase that leads into nowhere. But here's our pump, tank, water heater, electric. Okay. We gotta prime this. We're doing science experiments. I've never done one of these before, so I'm guessing. So I'm priming this line here, because this is the dry line we just put in the well. And then I'm gonna prime this one here. I'm gonna prime this one here because this is the pump. So this is the line that's gonna push water up and into our water heater. Okay. You can see this one's going down. You can't see anything. Okay.
The side of the basement underneath is totally dry. Oh, you cannot see, but it is totally dry. Just dry dirt.
Dry
dry dirt on the left side, but this side is just a little bit deeper, and now we are really deep. So, not surprised there was water down here.
We're gonna want water to shoot up out of this one. It might be dirty because this was laying on the ground. So we're gonna flick everything on. Got water.
Yeah!
Okay.
I can't see because it's so shadowy, but water came shooting up from that little. Yeah, show on that side. Yeah, you stand on that.
Okay, we got water. Okay.
Okay.
We gotta shut the valves off.
Is that what that bucket was for?
Right?
It's dripping. We have to have someone come in, but.
I'll have to turn it tighter. There we go.
Okay. You turn it tighter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
There's another valve right there that would open up, right?
I opened all the valves. I
Okay.
went through and I opened
What's that
up.
one on the right there by your right shoulder?
This one?
Yeah.
I think it's just an extra line.
Okay.
So it's got, there's hot water down here and cold water down here.
Okay.
So
Let's see. Okay,
We'll
so
see.
now what?
I think it's good.
Like there should be water running out of a hose upstairs?
Yeah.
Do you have any water running? I have the bathroom open upstairs too.
Well, there's water.
Yeah, we have water pressure coming from the well. It's dirty right now, but it'll get clean as it starts to go through. Yeah, maybe let it go for a minute. It's already getting cleaner. Water's dripping behind you.
Must have turned that one on.
Oh, so
There we go.
what about now? Sounds like I hear water going.
There's a pressure gauge here. 50 pounds of pressure right now. Pretty good.
Okay.
We got a leak.
We got a leak, Billy. Turn it. Shut her down. Shut her down. Okay. Come in. Oh, the bathroom's gone upstairs. I go turn the bath. Take the camera. Take the camera. Just not Billy. It's heavy. Okay.
Okay. Alright. So, we got water. I just need to hook that up.
So all the water ran from underneath the bathroom floor where it was supposed to connect. You connected it already there?
Yep. It just started making it up now, so we'll see. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Round 2. Let's go
There
back
it is.
down.
Am I coming down with you or I'm watching here for water?
Watch there for water.
All right. Yeah, we got a lot of pressure. Gunny, stay here, sweet boy. He's like, I'm just gonna make sure you guys got all the water. Gunner, come on. Yucky.
This is ridiculous. I need my coffee. Seriously. And
Papa hasn't had his coffee yet.
the valves are open upstairs?
No, I closed them now.
Well, we should have them open.
We should have them open? Well, I just closed them because I thought it was coming from what I opened upstairs.
That'd be good then.
We have water in the bathroom, but it's dripping here, Philly. Not much, but it's dripping.
The hot water tank is probably.
Filling.
Yeah.
Like it'll fill by itself?
Yeah, should be.
Okay.
And then there's just no pressure.
Okay, and then this, yeah, this is leaking a bit, so we need,
Is it leaking or is that just residue?
I'm not sure yet.
I think it's leaking.
I think it looked like there was enough when you first turned it on that it was leaking.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty dark for me to see what you're doing, but there isn't really any. Oh, do not hang yourself from the drop ceiling. Oh my goodness, you're brave. Scared me.
Maybe it needs a little bit of love, but as of right now, it's not leaking.
Well, the wash machine doesn't show up till June almost, so.
There's no spot for it, so I'm okay.
I
That's
did
not
buy a
bad.
clothesline.
Amazing.
Okay, I'm gonna go figure out this hot water now.
Okay. Oh my word. Yeah, same amount. It's leaking everywhere up here. Got her out! Out, Benny, out!
I don't know how to stop it.
Okay, it's leaking from there and here.
Go on.
They did say it was gonna rain today.